Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to be checking out this ARB 4x4 quick tire deflator. Now, this comes in a super durable pouch, and then inside is where the magic really happens. This is ARB's quick deflator, which is going to be super useful when you're out on the trail. This will simply allow you to attach to a valve stem and then deflate it to your desired PSI. I'm going to show you guys how it's done on our spare tire of a 2012 JK. First thing we're going to do is tighten down this section here by using the middle thread, and that'll go all the way onto the valve stem. Now the next step is to unscrew your valve stem core using this right here. This right here is the valve that allows you to open and close it to let air out. You pull it towards you, you simply push it like that. If you pull this out backwards, you'll get this to the desired PSI by allowing air to flow out of your tire. And then to make sure it's set, all you have to do is thread your valve stem core back into place by using this end knob. And then removing your quick deflator by using the middle knob here. After you're all done, be sure to throw it back into the storage bag and safely set it in the back of your Jeep or off-road vehicle. Now, if you want to find this tire deflator as well as many other great parts for your Jeep, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com.